Alrighty, here we go. We're off again. We got the trailer. We got the Romeo Romeo Ultra 2, and we're at 1,300 miles. Let me put my phone up there. Gotta text the wife when I get to the store. Alrighty, look both ways. And let's get going. My new back brake pads definitely need to be broken in a little bit more, or maybe the disc needs to be sanded down. You always take a different route, I guess. I really need to swap out the controllers. I've been being lazy about it, and I really don't want to tear the bike apart at this second moment kind of thing. One of those kind of people, I guess you want to say. Sometimes I put it off to the last minute. I know I shouldn't. I'm slowing down. It's got so much darn torque. Going up a hill. And we're not even at 100% battery. I'm gonna have to tighten these darn horns. I keep forgetting that. And there we go, baby. Nice smooth turn. Had to do a little wide with the trailer. A little bit different. Yeah, up there with that car. Blocks my view. I don't know what that was. I had to look over real quick. It caught my attention. It was red. So it did its job. I mean, the brakes work phenomenal now, but damn, squeaky pads. Squeaky. Same. Squeaky, squeaky. Or that's the other sign that the front brakes might need to be changed. Yeah, it could be. Could be. Damn. I do have 1,300 miles on it, so it's not like... Oh, my favorite pickup, number 6. Here we go. Alright. Text the wife. No. So we can get this done and over with. Yeah. Excuse me. Alright, now the fun part. Getting ready to be loaded. And it's a nice day today. It feels like it wants to rain so bad. So today is actually gorgeous out for Vegas riding. I wish I could be out riding some more, but gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, I definitely need to change the controller. New handlebars are working out really nice. These new, I got the new ones. I only paid $6 for them, so I couldn't say no. But I ended up taking a pipe cutter to them and cutting about yay much off. And the light, oh, superior. The only thing I do wish with this though is it did come with actual turn signals. Because the controller can do it. All that stuff. There's my number. Pickup number. Mexican grill, all you can eat Korean barbecue seafood hot pot. So you read it all as one. Like that one over there's got a nice one where it says swing and it's got the drive-through with smiles on it. Oh, there goes the scooter. Hello, it's 9863. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Alright. Time for the fun part. Now that I don't like. So we just grab it, make it tighter. Grab it, make it tighter. Same with the front. Alright. We're golden. I feel like water drops just hit me. Oh no. I just felt more. We gotta move. That rain's trying to come through. You see it right there. Ah, shit me mama. Oh, shit. It blows, and not the wind. He's cruising. That car's like, no, that bike's catching up to me. I better haul a boogie. Ooh, that was just a little bit of sprinkles. It's like going through a sprinkler system. She's doing it. I wish I could look back. Let's see. Looks like everybody's doing fine back there. Uh-oh, more sprinkles. Come on. I'm not going nowhere. Car's moving way too quick. It's the only thing I don't like about that. Hold the brakes down for so long. and then it'll go. I mean, it's a good safety feature, but sometimes you forget and you go to go, and you look like an idiot for a second. Kind of like you didn't downshift when you were at a light and you're in second or third. So with no problems, I know the camera's hard to see, with no problems. I hope I can get some shots, but thanks for watching. It's definitely been some fun with this bike and hitting these miles all the time and showcasing that these guys actually work and do what they're supposed to do. So until the next episode, guys, peace.
Then Tuesday's wild storm leaving this just rows of downed power lines, trees, poles damaging cars. 8 News Now reporter Nick Summer checking on areas where crews are still working on those power lines tonight. Nick.